Alam nyo ba na may local beauty brand tayo sa Watsons na super sulit ang presyo? Na-try ko gamitin itong product na ito in particular, which is yung whitening repair ng Lux Organics. Ito ay may 10% na niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and zinc PCA. It is also fragrance-free and dermatologically tested. And for people with sensitive skin like mine, it is a very good product kasi it really has no scent, and at the same time, nakakaputi talaga siya na face. Yes. Babad po ako sa araw during the times na ako ay nagpa-fieldwork, and mas nauna pa po na mangitim ang aking mga braso kaysa sa mukha ko. Honestly, hindi nga halata na ako ay gumagamit nitong product na to in particular. So, short kwento lang din, ang face ko ay mas clear na ngayon kumpara last month. In fact, around siguro September 11, when I started using Lux Organics products. And of course, I did not expect that the product would work this fast. In fact, halos wala nang peka sa mukha ko. Sobrang minor na lang kung meron man. So, magkano nga ba itong product na ito? 549 pesos po sa Watsons as of today. This is October 19, 2024. So, depende sa inyo kung saan nyo kukunin. Could be through the reseller friend or di kaya through those online channels. Or kung gusto nyo talaga na physically pick up, just go to a Watsons store.